my breakfast, which I prepared myself. Now let's get on to repairing this ceiling fan. The speed switch doesn't click anymore, so it doesn't allow the fan to change speeds. It's a 3-speed fan. So I'm going to go through the process of removing that switch, replacing it with a new one I bought from Amazon, and hopefully it should work. Back together, and it works. 3 adjustable fan speeds at the pull of a chain. Approximately 4 weeks have passed since I put this repair, and it's still working, no problems. So I give this 100% successful project. Amateur tip: make sure your electrical power is turned off before working on your fan.